this video, I'll show you how to add a clickable link to your resume in Canva and ensure it works after downloading. Let's get started. Open your resume template in Canva. For this example, let's search for a resume template and use one from the library. Zoom into your resume and decide where to place the link. Go to the Text tab, create a new text box for the link. Type your text, like website, and style it as needed. Select the text box, then click More in the toolbar. Choose Link and enter the URL you want to attach. For testing, let's link to Canva, set the display mode to link and click Done. To ensure the link works, download your resume as a PDF. Go to Share, select Download, and choose PDF Standard. Avoid PNG or other formats, as they won't retain the clickable link. Once downloaded, open the PDF. Hover over the link text to see the cursor change. Then click to test the URL. And that's it! Your resume now has a functional clickable link. If this helped, subscribe for more Canva tips. Thanks for watching.